Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the premium half-bar cap cutters made for the Husqvarna grinders, and whoever has the drive plates made for that machine. Now, this tool is made for very, very hard concrete, so if the floor is really tight, the latency is really hard, this floor will bite right into it, has a great wear rate, leaves a nice scratch pattern. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our dual PCD coating removal tool. Now, this is the classic dual quarter round with the wear bars. This is great for removing soft build coatings or coatings of all types. It doesn't smear the coating. It does a great removal rate, really fast production, great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 3-inch 76mm Lynx Hybrid Pad. This is a great pad wet. It has a very long life. It takes out deep metal coarse scratches. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern. It works well on light machines and heavy machines. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 5-inch 125mm T-Seg concrete cup wheel. Now, for us, this is a huge seller. Most guys use it as their go-to cup wheel for general prep, heavy stock removal. It has a beautiful long wear, easy to use. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Chemtec Cam 100. This is 100% solids epoxy. This has a great, outstanding chemical resistance. It leaves a beautiful, clean finish, and it has a higher sheen now versus ever before. It also has more added UV protection, so it basically doesn't yellow out. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with the tapered edges. Now, this is great for machines like Lavina and whoever has drive plates made for that style of diamond. Now, you are able to change your diamonds fast, and you won't be married to a proprietary system. So by the end of the year, you create your own toolbox. You'll be having the savings. Message me now.